Weche tuke mamoko ni kambi mar betting mong'ere kaka Betika kokale chenro mar Betika na community koro nochiwo ne clubs madirom 20 mantiere National Super League jersey mekgi mano motelo ne chako season manyien mabende koro dhi chakore kochopo tarik 16 dwe mar 11. En nyasi mabende koro nobagi e pap ma kambo to yoyo kuma bende noyuore kanyo to kod jotelo pogore moriwo kanyo Bari Otieno ma en jata tije mar FKF ka achiel to kod jakom mar National Super League Nicholas Ochieng.
We really want to thank Betika for coming in at this critical time in our football. We believe that the NSL is the heartbeat of the community, and more talents is at the community stage. NSL has 20 teams, and 3/4 of those teams are community teams. So by Betika coming to sponsor and even give kitting for the teams is a plus for football.
The money aspect most people do not talk about, but the money aspect in running, in the day-to-day running of clubs is very key, and Betika has demonstrated that they can help. It is not enough. We continue to negotiate with Betika themselves and other sponsors to ensure then that we have at least we reach somewhere where clubs are not suffering financially.
From a human perspective, we are just coming out of COVID, where we had a lockdown, we had games were suspended, and even though they came back, spectators were not there. And this is the first time now we are going to start seeing spectators in stadiums, and we were still able to support the teams during that time.